Hey guys, welcome to this channel. So if you are planning to sell your online courses in 2026, then choosing the right platform can literally decide your how to fast your business grows. Today I'm quickly telling you about the top course creation platforms people are usually compare, and then I will explain why showing you a teachable is in this video. So make sure watch till the end. So as you can see, most creator normally looks at the platform first. Kajabi, Thinkific, various platforms. Kajabi, Thinkific, Skool, and Teachable. All of them are powerful. All of them can help you to sell courses. So the real question is why I am focusing only on Teachable in this video. So the biggest reason is simple. Teachable is the one of the easiest platform for beginners who want to start selling fast. You don't need to technical skills, you don't need to connect complicated tools. Just publish your first course. You sign up, you upload your videos, add lessons, set up your price, and your course is ready. Another important reason is payments. Teachable handles payment for you, so you can sell your international audience without worrying about complex payment setup, currency, or checkout system. For new creators, this removes a huge headache. Now let's be honest, platforms like Kajabi and Thinkific are extremely powerful, but many beginners feel overwhelmed because they offer too many features from day one. So Teachable is only focused on the main thing, helping you to create, publish, and sell your course in the simple possible way. That's why if your goal is to start online business courses or maybe some email tools, so without building a complicated funnels or test system, Teachable become a very practical choice. By the way, I will provide this Teachable links in this video's description or in the comment section, so that you can directly redirect to the Teachable. So if you want a clean beginner friendly course platform that actually helps your launch faster, Teachable is the one of the personally recommended tools. So see you in the next video.